Alright, so I'm just gonna put all the chicken in my pan. Like that. So I'm going to cook up some tomatoes with the green seasoning that I made earlier and a little bit of orange juice in a saucepan here to make the gravy for the chicken. So let me go over to the stove. I'm gonna put some oil in here and cook that up. Tomatoes. And the green onion, they're just gonna use that as all of the different herbs blended in. So I'm gonna use 2 large tablespoons. That medium and let it slowly reduce. So while that is cooking, give that about 20 minutes, then we'll make our sauce. Alright, so I have my tomato with my green seasoning. I'm trying to make like a sauce, and I'm gonna use some orange juice to get some more liquid in here. So just remove the seeds and squeeze some orange juice. If you have orange juice in your fridge, just use what you have. I don't know what these are. I have some citrus, raspberry, tangerine. So I'm gonna use that liquid of 1 tangerine to make my sauce. Okay. That's what it looks like. You can taste it at this point to see if you need any salt or sugar or any flavors added to it. It's hot, so I'm going to wait for it to cool down, and then I'm going to use the hand blender to get rid of some of the bigger pulps on the tomato. Make a smooth sauce.
Would it good enough? Yeah. But I can't really hold it when you're holding onto it.
Alright, so this is what the chicken has been doing. So this is like maybe 45 minutes now. Oh, let's go over here. Don't burn yourself. Alright. I'm gonna just add the sauce over the chicken.
Pause.
Yes. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Put this back into the oven for it to reduce. All right. Alright, so the sauce reduced and I got some color in my chicken, and that is in like a full 1 hour. Alright, so that's it, my baked chicken in tomato sauce, and I'm gonna serve that with my rice and peas and my vegetables. So we're gonna serve our dinner. So we have, yes?
Okay. Yeah, keep on going.
So yeah, rice and peas. It does show everything. Look now. The rice and peas.
Yeah, you can see like half of it.
Half. Rice and peas. Then we're going to do So we've served our dinner, and that's it.